All week long, our traders are revealing their 2025 acronyms and their top trades to watch. First up, Guy Adami.
Hi.
Your CALM acronym, I mean, it turned into CLAM.
Of course it did.
It finished 5th last year. ConocoPhillips, Lockheed Martin, Agnico Eagle, your best performer, up 46%, and Martin Marietta. So,
I loved your
CLAM.
Acronym? I really enjoyed your CLAM last year.
For the entire year.
Yeah.
Beloved CLAM.
Yeah,
well, late in the year, the CLAM sort of it soured.
Yeah.
Lockheed Martin was sort of the culprit there. I mean, I didn't see that one coming because that sucker went from like 610 down to 480. That really.
Yeah.
But I have a new one for this year.
You do.
So I'm going from last year's CLAM, Melissa. Tube. Tim.
Yeah, no, I heard you.
Surprise this guy and why?
Well, you know what? I've always wanted to sort of get Toyota in here, but historically, every time this game begins, it's at an all-time high. Not this year, sister.
It's going to slam it in there.
This stock has had a bit of a sell-off, so I think you're catching it at the right time. Uber is another one where stock went from 85.90 down to 60. You've seen a couple of analysts now make it their best selection for 2025. I think you're catching Uber at the right time. I'm stealing one from the Tim Seymour playbook in the form of Alibaba here at $82 or whatever it is. This stock to me is 40% too cheap. I'm not saying it goes there this year, but there are going to be some significant bounces in BABA. And the last one, EQT.
Interesting.
Throw a little energy your way. I mean, that's the E in my tube.
Just to get an E on the end of your tube.
Well, you need it.
Yeah. Otherwise, it might be Tubbs. If you went,
no, but that wouldn't be any fun. So EQT, which is off to a rip-roaring start already this year.
Why is tube so fun, Guy, versus another letter at the end?
I think you want it. For me, it's always a 4-letter acronym. I think anything more than that is just superfluous and it's excessive. And I just think, you want the tube to do well in any circumstance, especially in 2025.
Like how your tube sizes up.
Yeah. Right.
By the way, there's a great song by ZZ Top.
Yeah.
Maybe we should play that.
It's a boogie of sorts, I think.
I think it's a tube steak boogie.
Interesting.